Hello everybody. Now continuity. Then continuity at a point we will discuss. So a real function f(x) is said to be continuous. Means any function will be the continuous at a point of its domain if limit x tends to a f(x) exists. When the limit f tends to a f(x) exists, if the left hand limit, right hand limit and the left hand limit is equal, then you can say the f limit x tends to a f(x) is exists, and that should be equal to fa. Then the function will be continuous. So f(x) exists means the limit f of f(x) is exists in case if the right hand limit must be equal to the left hand limit and the value of that function at a point is equal, then you can say the function is continuous. But if f(x) is not continuous at a point, then it is said to be the discontinuous, and that particular point is there. Have a look. Okay, now the question is there. Show that f(x) equal to x cube is a continuous at the point 2. So to become a continuous, right hand limit and the left hand limit must be equal to, and the value at the point. If it is equal, then you can say the function is continuous at that particular point. So we are supposed to check the right hand limit, left hand limit, and the value at the point is there. So the solution will be f(x) is equal to x cube. This is we have given. We are supposed to take the value at 2. So f2 will be equal to 2 whole cube is equal to 8. Now take the right hand limit x tends to 2 plus fx. Right hand limit we are supposed to find out is here only. So this can be written limit s tends to 0 f 2 plus h, this one. So this is limit s tends to 0 and your function is what? Fx is equal to x cube. So if f 2 plus h, it means that is equal to 2 plus h whole cube. You can solve this one only. You can put the values here. So you will get 0 plus h whole cube, 2 plus 0 whole cube. So this is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. So this is your right hand limit is there. Now similarly, you must calculate the left hand limit. So this is limit x tends to 2 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 f 2 minus h. This is equal to limit s tends to 0. So that is 2 minus h whole cube. Now you can put this s tends to 0 means x 0 is here only. So you will get here is the 0 minus 2. Sorry, this is 2 minus 0 whole cube. So this is 2 cube is equal to 8. So finally what you are getting, the right hand limit and the left hand limit is also equal, and the value of the function is also equal. Means right hand limit x tends to 2 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus fx is equal to value at that point is also a. So therefore it is a continuous function. So if you want to check whether any function is the continuous at that particular point is not, you have to calculate the right hand limit, left hand limit, and the value at that point. So right hand and left hand is comes equal, in which you can say the limit is exist, and that is equal to the value of the function itself at the point. If it is, then you can say the function will be the continuous at that particular point. Have a look. Okay, one more question we are taking. We are supposed to discuss the continuity of this function at x equal to 0. We are supposed to discuss the continuity of this function at x equal to 0. But if fx is equal to 2x minus 1, when will be the 2x minus 1? If your x is less than 0. And if it is x is greater than equal to 0, then your function fx will be equal to 2x plus 1. And we want to check the continuity at x equal to 0. So clearly if we discuss, you are taking f0. So f for f0, because your function will be fx will be 2x plus 1, because x is greater than equal to 0, then fx is equal to 2x plus 1 is there. So for f 0 you will do 2 into x is 0 plus 1. So this is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 is here. So this is the value of this function fx at x0 is equal to 1 is there. Now you have to take the right hand limit is here. So right hand limit, that is limit x tends to 0 plus f x, this is can be written as limit s tends to 0 f 0 plus h. See now, this x is tends to 0 plus, it means x is greater than, so your function will be this one. So this is equal to, you can see the limit s tends to 0, then this is 2 0 plus h, this you are supposed to put here plus 1. So this is equal to, just you are going to put h equal to 0 here, so you will get his 2 plus 1, so this is equal to 3. So your right hand limit of this function at x tends to 0 plus is 3. Now similarly, you must take the left hand limit, so limit x tends to 0 minus fx is equal to limit s tends to 0 f 0 minus h. Just remember, if it is plus is there, then you must put the 0 plus. If it is suppose 2 is here, 2 plus h. 1, 1 plus h. Similarly, 1 minus h. 10, 10 minus h. According to that, you must put here only. And this is h, x tends to 0 minus, means less than. So your now function will be what? This one. So this is your 2. You can put the limit, h tends to 0. So this is 2. Whereas x is what? 0 minus h. This one plus 1. So again, you are going to put x equal to 0 is here only. So that is you will get 2 plus 1, that is 3. See now look at here. What exactly you are getting is here. The right hand limit and the left hand limits are equal. Right hand and left hand limits as coming is here is equal to this one. We are counting any mistake. We are counting is here is the s0. So 2h is there 0. So this will be the 0. It's not 3. It will be the 1 is here. And here is the, you will put 0 is here. So 0. And here is the minus. Here the minus is there. So here you will get 0 minus 1 here. So here you will get minus 1. See, look at here only. See, this is s tends to 0. So 2 0 plus h. So you will put s0. So this is 0. So 0 plus 1 is here. And you will put 0 minus h. So your function will be fx equal to this one. So 2 0 minus h. H is equal to 0 you are putting. So it is 0. So 0 minus 1. So here the right hand limit is coming plus 1. Left hand limit is minus 1. You should be very careful here only. During the calculation is here. We were counting the mistake is here only. हमने गलती क्या 2 लिख दिया था, but s0 to this whole term will be the 0 is here. So here is the your value at the point is 1. Right hand limit is all 1, but here is the minus. But finally what you are getting, the limit x tends to 0 plus fx is not equal to limit x tends to 0 minus fx. And if the left hand limit is not equal to the right hand limit, it means limit does not exist. So then you can say that here is the limit is not going to exist here only. Means you can say the limit x tends to 0 fx does not exist. And if your limit is not going to exist, then the function cannot be the continuous. So it is not continuous function. It's not a continuous function. You should be. But one thing is keep in mind, calculation के time पे you should be very careful. जहाँ हम गलतियाँ को कर रहे थे, that is actually 0 you are putting, so this whole term is 0. This whole term will be the 0. Here we will get minus 1 and there you will get the plus 1. So left hand and right hand not equal. It means limit does not exist. Then the function is not continuous. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is discuss the continuity of the function at x fx at x equal to 0 and find the value of k. Means that this is the question is here. The function is at x equal to, this is the function is already given continuous. This is the function is already continuous. It is the question The function is already given, continuous is here. Is already given, it is a continuous. It is a continuous. You have to find the value of k. If your function fx is equal to 1 minus cos 2x over 2x square. If x is not equal to 0. So this is already given. The following function is the continuous at x equal to 0. This is already continuous, is already given. You can say this is the person which is already the continuous. You have to find the value of k is here only at this one. So look at here now. So if we talk about f0 for x equal to 0, so f0 will be equal to what? If your x 0, then fx is equal to k. So that is equal to the k is here. So f0 is equal to is k. Now you have to check the right hand and the left hand limit for this one only. So now for the right hand limit of this one, so limit x tends to 0 plus fx. This is equal to, can be written as s tends to 0 f 0 plus h. So if your x tends to 0 plus means your function will be, fx will be equal to what? Your function will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x over this one, in because x is not equal to 0 is here. So this is can be written as limit s tends to 0 1 minus cos 2, that is 0 is here only. So this is 2 in bracket 0 plus h over 2 0 plus h whole square. This is there only. You have to put the value. See, now what you will get? You will get limit s tends to 0 1 minus, this is cos 2h over 2h square. Now question is here, in case if you are going to put the x equal to 0 is here. So this is cos 0 is 1, so 1 minus 1, and this is also 0. So what you will get? You will get the indeterminate form. So directly you cannot put here, you have to reduce. So this is already you know that. Then cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is the formula is already we know that. So इसकी जगह पर cos 2h की जगह पर we can apply this one. So what you will get? Limit s tends to 0 1 minus, this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square h over 2 h square. So if we calculate, we will get limit s tends to 0 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square h over 2 h square. This is cancelled out. So finally you are getting here limit s tends to 0 2 sin square h over 2 h square. You can cancel, and this can be written as limit s tends to 0 sin h over h whole square. So this will be equal to 1 because limit theta tends to 0, then sin theta over theta is already equal to 1. So 1 square over so you will get 1 is there only. Now similarly you have to check for the left hand limit is there. So look at here, I am going to slide changes here. Left hand limit here. Simple, same thing will remain. Here is the x minus, here 0 minus h, here is 0 minus h, this is 0 minus h is here only. Similarly you can, so this is cos 2 minus 2h is also this one same, it will remain the same, nothing is going to change is here. Same thing here will be remain here, everything will remain here only. Then you will solve, you will get again the left hand limit is also equal to 1. So finally what you are getting is here only. See, here you will get, here is 2 h square plus, yes. So finally in case of the left hand limit is also you are getting 1, a right hand limit was also equal to 1 because the function is already continuous. Function क्या हमारा already continuous है. It means क्या हुआ, left hand is equal to the value at the point will be the equal. So therefore here you can say this limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus fx is equal to value at the point 0 is k. So finally from here you will what you will get. So therefore you can say k is equal to 1. So the value of k will be equal to 1 is here. Have a look. Yes, now the continuity of an in interval. You want to check the continuity of the function in a closed interval. So if function fx is said to be the continuous in an interval ab, if fx is continuous at x equal to a from right, means limit x tends to a plus fx is equal to the fa, then the function will be the continuous in this closed interval. Need not to check the left hand limit is here. Similarly, fx is continuous at x equal to b from the left, limit x tends to b minus fx is equal to the value of fb. Here is also need not to check the right hand limit is there. After checking this or this one only, you can declare the function is continuous. Or fx is continuous from both sides at all, x is a line between a and b is there only. So in case of the interval is there, simply you can limit x tends to a plus fx equal to fa is comes, you can say that function is the continuous. But in case if you are going to check at a point, अगर हम किसी पॉइंट पर चेक करते हैं x tends to a, तो this is you know the right hand limit must be equal to left hand limit and the value of the function must also be the equal, then the function will be the continuous is here. But in case of closed, simply you can check this or this one is there. Have a look. Now the question is there, explain the following function for the continuity fx is equal to absolute of this x minus 5. So we have given fx equal to absolute of x minus 5 is there. So you must check at x equal to 5. So f5 will be equal to 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So that is x equal to this one at the 5 is will be 0. But here is fx is equal to absolute of this x minus 5. So here will be the, if your x is greater than 0, not greater than, because 5 is here, greater than or equal to 5, then your function will be x minus 5. But if it is x is less than 5 is there, 4, then it will be 5 minus x. It will be the negatives here only. So minus x minus 5, so you will get 5 minus x is there only. Now you have to take the right hand and the left hand limit is there. Right hand limit x tends to 5 plus fx. So this is equal to limit s tends to 0 f 5 plus h. So it will be x is greater than or equal to 5. This one will be there. So this is equal to limit s tends to 0 x means 5 plus h minus 5. So this is equal to, you can write down limit, because this is x tends to 5 plus is here. It means your function will be x minus 5. This one is there. So limit s tends to 0. So here is 5 and you cancel. So this is h. So you will get is equal to 0. Now you have to take the left hand limit. So this is limit x tends to 5 minus fx is equal to limit s tends to 0 f 5 minus h is equal to, this is limit s tends to 0. So x is less than 5. It means this function will be this one. So this is your 5 minus h. So this can be written as limit s tends to 0 5 minus 5 plus h. So 5 is cancelled here. So you will get the limit s tends to 0 h. This is equal to 0. So the right hand limit is coming 0. Left hand limit is also the 0. And the value of the function is also the 0 at here only. So it means you can say, therefore fx is continuous at x equal to 5. Also for x is greater than equal to 5, greater than 5, and x is less than 5 is also there only. So fx is the polynomial is here only. That will be the continuous. X is greater than equal to 5 you can take. It's not greater than, less than, greater than only. So it will be the continuous because it is a also the polynomial, and every polynomial is a continuous function is there. Have a look.